Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, and in this video I will tell you and also show you how you can easily share a link to a group in the Telegram application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes under this video, and let's get started. So friends, if you open a channel or a group in Telegram application, and you want to share a link with some of your friends or relatives to this group, you have to click on the name of that group at the top, and you can easily see the link that you can copy. If you hold it down, and you'll see the word copy, and then you can go back. Find the user that you want to send it to. Next, in the message bar, press and hold, and select Paste and Send. That's how you'll send the link to the group on Telegram, and the person, if they open the link, will go straight to the group. Also, another method how you can share the link to the group is QR code. To do this, friends, go to the link, and next to it click on this QR code sign. At the bottom, Share QR code. Scroll to the top of the menu, and here you will need to either select someone from your favorite users on Telegram or some other social network. Also, here you can copy QR code. You can save it as an image to send people a picture with QR code. And here, in this way, you can share. Let's say if you copy the QR code and you go back to the user and click Paste. Then, as you can see, you will insert a QR code with a link to a group in Telegram, and when you send, you will send this image, by which a person will be able to go and open this group. This is the method, friends. You will be able to share links to groups in Telegram. I hope that this video, friends, was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to write your comments. Also put likes, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.